Prosecutors are calling it fraud on a massive scale. Inmates filing for and getting thousands of dollars in pandemic unemployment assistance while sitting in their jail cells. It's a story first reported last month by KDKA investigator Andy Sheehan. Now charges filed and a wave of charges against thousands of inmates could still be coming. Andy's got the update tonight.
Ken, state and federal prosecutors say these 33 defendants are only the tip of the iceberg of a massive fraud. Inmates and their accomplices reaping money intended for hard-working families. Thousands of inmates in county jails and state correctional institutions in on a scheme, each collecting thousands of dollars in pandemic unemployment insurance meant for workers sidelined by COVID-19. Today, federal and state prosecutors charged the first 33 inmates, along with their outside accomplices who filed the claims.
They stole taxpayer money. They undermined a safety net that millions have relied on during this crisis.
Inmates like accused murderer Lamont Wilford, who we first told you about last month. He's been here in the county jail since November, but is charged along with his girlfriend, Casey Norick, and another outside accomplice who filed the unemployment claim. Though in an intercepted phone call between them, Norick had misgivings.
You don't want it? You don't want it?
I don't think it's right.
What do you mean you don't think it's right? Ain't nothing wrong with it.
And these 33 defendants represent truly the tip of the iceberg. And we are seeing unemployment fraud on an unprecedented scale.
U.S. Attorney Scott W. Brady says Wilford is by no means an outlier, and they have evidence that some 10,000 inmates across the state have filed pandemic unemployment claims.
Each of them received at least $10,000, roughly $10,000 or more. And so when we're talking about the scope of fraud statewide, even at a floor, we're talking about over $100 million in fraud.
PA Attorney General Josh Shapiro says many more will be charged in the coming weeks and months. And noting how seriously the government takes this kind of fraud, each could face 20 additional years in jail and $50,000 in fines.
Look, these criminals took advantage of a public health emergency to cash in on the backs of working people across our Commonwealth, to rip off a program meant to help everyday Pennsylvanians whose lives were really struggling because of COVID-19.
Now, we first reported this last month, but postal inspectors and corrections officers became suspicious months ago, and that led to this investigation. Now, federal sources say this is happening all over the country, and the abuse could reach billions of dollars. Ken?
Andy, it's very hard to believe. Are we talking about money that's already gone out? And if so, can the government get it back?
Well, they are trying to stop payments on these debit cards, but it appears most of this money is probably already spent. Now, Scott Brady is saying they will be asking inmates to come forward and make some restitution, and they may consider leniency.
All right, we will certainly be following it. Andy Sheehan, thanks.